Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Sorry for my messy hair because I just woke up. Anyway, I am happy because I received a package. Finally, this package is what I've ordered sa Shopee. Ngayon, i-unbox natin siya. Wow, after long a long time, I'm back with vlogging. I'll do my best to be consistent. So anyway, I'm back unboxing this one. Here it is, the Robotic Vacuum Cleaner. Yan. I don't know what's the color inside, but here, there are two. It may be white or black. So, let's find out. Ah, I'm very excited because guys, I really don't like the walisting sa household chores. Hindi ko alam, naboboring ako nagwawalis ako. Wow! This is white. So I got color white. So oopsie, I need battery. I don't know if I need battery. So I'm just gonna read the manual there. Here, I don't know how I will understand Chinese, but here it is. It's a white robotic vacuum cleaner. Okay, I'll update you if how is it working so that whenever you wish to buy, you know how it will be useful to you. Okay, that's all for now. Bye. Thank you for watching.